Application performance is critical to today's digital businesses. Downtime and failures can cause losses in business as well as affect reputation in the market. IT teams need the right tools to proactively remediate issues before users complain. Cloudmon ITIM is IT's favorite platform for smart, unified monitoring of servers, networks, and user devices. Cloudmon ITIM monitors your entire IT infrastructure, whether in the cloud, virtual, or in physical servers. For example, IT gets alerted on high CPU utilization in servers. Cloudmon ITIM uses synthetic monitoring for continuously measuring network performance. Cloudmon monitors networks and IP endpoints for availability, latency, jitter, and loss, so IT can troubleshoot and identify problems quickly. Cloudmon ITIM also monitors user desktops and laptops to detect system issues. Cloudmon remotely monitors device health, performance, and availability. Cloudmon ITIM raises alerts when parameters cross thresholds. With Cloudmon ITIM, IT teams can be proactive to remediate issues with less or no business impact. Observe your digital world. Try Cloudmon ITIM. Contact us for a demo or evaluation.